Understanding 3 different types of blockchain technology. Cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, have become a hot investment over the last several years because of its seemingly get-rich-quick potential. However, before you dive into this new asset class, it's important to understand the 3 types of popular blockchain technology. Public blockchain. This type of blockchain allows anyone in the world to download the data and read the data. This means that anyone is allowed to participate in the consensus process and can write the data or block into the public blockchain. There are numerous public blockchains that anyone can invest in and trade. Bitcoin is one of the more well-known blockchains and was the first peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchange. Ethereum is another popular blockchain that allows anyone to build smart contracts and decentralized apps. Consortium blockchain. A consortium of members controls a consortium blockchain. Because of this, it has a predefined set of nodes for the users with access to writing the data or block. Members of a consortium blockchain may be participating banks, exporters, importers, ports of sending and receiving countries, custom officials, etc. With this kind of blockchain technology, some of the participants may have write access, and some or all will have read access. Consortium blockchains aren't as fully decentralized as the public blockchain. Private blockchain. All permissions are kept centralized to an organization with private blockchain technology. This is the kind of blockchain that companies used when they wanted to create their own currencies. One of the significant criticisms of private blockchain technology is that it isn't decentralized, but rather nothing more than a distributed database. However, this allows some organizations to have privacy and compliance requirements to implement blockchain, as well as adding values like cryptographic auditioning and known identities to the internal process. Unfortunately, with private blockchain, the beauty and central idea of decentralization and open protocol get lost. Since 2008, when the first cryptocurrency was introduced, blockchain technology has rapidly gained popularity around the world. As the burgeoning technology continues to be ripe with ongoing innovations, it is best to keep an open mind and expect to see new, related technologies continue to emerge. As the world continues to become interconnected, cryptocurrencies will continue to be an attractive proposition for growing markets, making it all the more important to understand the different technologies available to you.